up? So here's another way to enjoy our eggplants or talong. Ayos to pang vegetarian. So we're gonna start up with the eggplant. Yan. Sugatan nyo lang yung middle niya. But don't slice it through sa end. So yung end to end should be intact pa rin. Yan. Body middle part lang yung natin. Hiniwa natin. If you have charcoal, it's better to use charcoal. But I don't have charcoal here, so mag-fire tayo. Yan. Mabilis lang naman yan eh. And then, here's our onion. Mince lang natin siya. Sobrang dali na itong dish na to. You can pair it with grill, with fried meats, seafood, or you can use it dipping also for chips or bread. Napakadali lang na itong eggplant salad na to, guys. Some call this Baba غنوج, and some call it eggplant salad. May ako mas alam ko yung paggawa niya, and there's a lot of twist on that mixture. Pwede siyang gamitan ng yogurt, pwedeng gamitan ng iba-ibang ingredients, iba na naman yung pangalan niya. So ito, basic lang muna. Gagawa lang tayo ng isa muna, isang klase lang, which is the Baba غنوج nga. Magkakaiba yung style niyan sa Mediterranean cuisine. May iba gumagamit sila ng grenadine syrup, some use other spices. But for me, we're gonna use the salt, pepper only. And here's our tomato. Yan. Slice up lang natin. So bawat chef na nakatrabaho ko from different nationalities, from European chef, Arabic chefs, from Indian, from Chinese chefs, mga Pinoy, bawat isa sa kanila bawat bansa may kanya-kanyang version yan eh. Kumbaga nalagyan lang ng isang ingredient, iba na yung pangalan. Nagkaroon lang ng ibang technique, ibang process, iba na yung pangalan. Madidiscover niya rin yan pag nakapagtrabaho na rin kayo sa mga international kitchens with the international chefs. Doon malalaman niyo yung mga ibang possibilities na pwedeng gawin sa mga pagkain. So we're done with the tomato. I don't use gloves because I already washed my hands, sanitized my hands. So I'm just here in our room. Kaya it's fine dahil alam ko naman na malinis na yung hands ko. So we have this parsley. It's a local parsley, or what they call the flat parsley. So medyo may mga yellowish color na siya. We're gonna discard some yellowish leaves and yung mga patay na, but you can still eat that one. But some people usually in restaurants or in other establishments, they discard that one, but for me you can still eat that one. Syempre pag si customer nakita niya na may mga ganyang mga dilaw-dilaw, sabihin nagbigay ka sa kanila ng luma. So yan, discard lang natin yung mga pangit talaga. Kahit may matirang yellow dyan, it's fine. Yan. You can wash your parsley first also, pero pwede rin siyang i-wash after mo siyang i-chop, pero mababawasan na yung flavor niya. Yan. So may mga natira tayong mga iba mga yellow leaves. Yeah, that's fine. As much as possible, I don't waste any. So if it's possible to consume or safe to consume, safe to eat, why not, diba? Ayan, and then ano lang natin siya, mince lang natin. In parsley, there's a lot of recipes, dish na gawa mo dyan sa salads using fattoush, tabula, they mix it the hummus, daming options. They use it also in a chimichurri, mga iba-ibang sauce. Ang dami pwedeng gawin dyan. Tsaka magandang, masarap yung lasa niya. Hindi siya overpowered. So next time gagawa tayo ng ibang ibang recipe ng parsley. We're gonna make the tabula. If I have the burgur now, I can make the tabula na pero I don't have burger here. So yan, I mix the tomato and onions. I'm gonna put some salt only. Salt and extra virgin olive oil. Yan. If you're making salad, fresh salad, better use the extra virgin. Pag yung mga normal olive oil lang, hindi siya masyado malasa. So these are chopped parsley, already washed. Mix lang natin yan. Yan, pag hinaluan mo na siya ng lemon juice and the burgur, tabula na yan. But if we're gonna mix the eggplant, it's gonna be baba ganoush na. O, diba? But this basically the tabula sa Arabic salad siya, burgur. So here I have orange instead of lemon. I'm gonna use the orange because I have lots of orange here in our house. And orange is not overpowering, hindi over yung acid niya, yung citric acid niya, hindi siya masyadong matapang. So I'm gonna use this one. If you have lemons, better to use lemon or calamansi or basta any citric. So I have orange, so I'm gonna use the orange here. I don't want to waste the orange in the bin, kaya gagamitin natin siya sa salad. Can use also it for vinaigrette or any dressings. Ayan. So this guys, burgur lang yung kulang yan, tabula salad na yan. Okay, we're gonna next step. So here's our eggplant. What I do here is I cover this one. Habang mainit siya, i-cover mo siya para yung steam mas madali siyang mabalatan pag na-steam siya. Ayan. So here's our eggplant. Chop lang rin natin. I have this recipe also which we call the mutabal or mutabel. Ano lang yan? Yan. Eggplant lang, yogurt and some tahina. Mutabal. Masarap rin yun pang sausaw sa tinapay, pang vegetarian. So here's some part of the parsley mixture. We're gonna mix the eggplant, our grilled eggplant, charred eggplant. Yan, mix lang. And that's it guys, it's done. Just mix, put it on a plate, and we're done. Pag wala kang hinalong citric dyan, lemon or orange juice, you can also use this one, put some eggs and fry it. Diba yung tortang talong in Pinoy? You can also use that one. Kumbaga, maraming twist guys. Ayan. So is our plate. Ilagay na natin siya. Ayan. This is a cold appetizer guys. So if there's a leftover, you can put it on fridge. You can also eat that one at least maximum 2 days on fridge chiller. So remember the temperature niya sa fridge is ranging 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Better consume it when it's pag nagawa na. Mas okay yun. Hindi mo na siya i-stock. So you can make a fresh every day. If you have a grenadine syrup, it's good also. Yan na yung natin, salad natin. Mag-adapt na lang tayong pomegranate, fresh pomegranate. So we have this pomegranate here. Yan. It's from Lebanon pomegranate. I'm gonna teach you guys how to discard this seedlings sa loob. Yung iba kasi nadudurog nila eh. Ito yung gagawin ko, itatap lang natin. We're gonna tap using the knife. Tap it slowly on sides. Yan. And isa-isa nang babagsak yung mga ano niya, bunga niya, yung mga buto niya. That's what we need. Others they peel the pomegranate, but I don't like it, and it's time consuming also. So this is the fastest way for me. And tatap lang natin siya. Just make sure your hands are clean guys. Ayan. See, it's very easy. Yung iba umiiyak sa pag ibang helper namin nun, umiiyak pag binigyan mo ng mga 20 kilos na pomegranate para tanggalin yung seeds. Binabalatan nila, and then yan tinuro ko sa kanila, sabi itap niya ng itap, tap lang, slowly tap. Yun, tuwan-tuwa na sila tuwing nag-miss and plus na sila sa akin. So we're gonna tap this on our eggplant salad. If wala kayo yan, wala rin problema, no issues. Isagad na natin yung eggplant natin. And then, yan, okay na yan, done na yan. Tap lang natin ng olive oil and the pomegranate and we're done. So this is another way to enjoy your eggplant. Yan. Extra virgin olive oil yan, nagbuboost rin ng flavor niyan. Tama-tama yung flavor niyan sa eggplant natin. And tap some pomegranate, and that's all guys. Very simple and easy. See, wow. If you have grilled fish, grilled chicken, grilled beef, or any grilled meats or fried, yan, bahas na pang pares yan, pang partner. Wow. Okay, hope you like this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share, like, comment. Appreciate it guys. Thanks.